Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the relay guys for the ignition coils, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Yeah, and we'll explain how to test the relay, and if you still have problems with ignition coils not working, not getting spark, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. Specifically, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger 3.6 engine guys that we have here at the garage. This is it, okay, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. Which relay you need to check? This is guys your fuse box. How you open it, you have one notch here, one here, you squish towards each other, pull up, comes like that, and you see the relays are listed right here and the fuses, and it corresponds to what we have specifically here. Now what we need to look for guys, okay, it's not called ignition coils relay, okay, it's not, actually it's under a different name. But before we get to it, if you need to see how to test the relays or fuses, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that, and it will be it will save you guys quite a bit of headache and money as well. You can find out if they're working or not. The relay that you need to check for your ignition coils, okay, and you can see the ignition coils specifically are right here, ignition coil here, there and there as well, and we have three more on the other side. This is relay guys number 63, R63. We're talking about that relay right here. That's the relay that you need to check for ignition coils. If you want to see where you can get a replacement one from for a good price and quick shipping, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. If your ignition coils are still not working, okay, you still don't get spark, we have a special video that explains why Dodge Challenger does not start, okay, and it will teach you all about that. So please guys, please check it out. Now hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you need anything else, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video if we have time to. Thank you for watching and see you next time.